In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to crochet an easy heart. Now we are going to start with a magic ring or a magic loop. If you don't know how to do that, I will have a video link down below. But we are going to chain up 3. So we have 1 chain, 2 chain, 3 chain. From here we want to do a triple crochet into the ring. So we're going to yarn over twice. Go into the loop and pull up. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, and yarn over, go through 2 more. So that's a triple crochet. So we want to make 2 more of those into the ring. Go through 2, go through 2, go through 2. Okay, so there's our second triple crochet. So now we're going to do that one more time. Okay, so now this is what it should be looking like. Now what we want to do is place 3 double crochets into the ring. So there is 1, here is 2, 3, okay, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do a half double crochet, so we're going to yarn over, go into that space, yarn over, and go through all 3 loops on our hook. So this is the first half of our heart. So now what we're going to do is we are going to chain up 2, and we're going to make another half double crochet back into our ring. Okay, so now we're going to do what we did on the other side. So we're going to place 3 double crochets and then 3 triple crochets. So here we go. So we yarn over. Here's our first double crochet. Here's 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now we need to place our 3 triple crochets. So again, we're going to yarn over twice, go into that ring, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, and yarn over, go through 2 more. So we're going to do that 2 more times into the ring. Okay. So now we are going to chain up 3, okay? And before we finish this off, we are actually going to pull on our tail end and close this ring up the majority of the way, okay? So it's mostly closed. Now we're going to finish with a slip stitch right into the center. Okay. Now we will chain up 1. If you're sewing this onto something, I suggest leaving quite a long tail for sewing. Cut your yarn and then pull that through. And then there you have it. You have a perfect little heart, and then when you attach this, you can make sure that your point really stands out. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much, friends.